So if I want to simplify this, I recognize that as the difference of squares. Yes, it's the difference of fourth powers, but the difference of any even powers is the difference of squares. So in other words, this is kind of like if I had x to the fourth minus y to the fourth, I could factor that as x squared minus y squared times x squared plus y squared. Okay, so that would be the difference of squares because x to the fourth is a perfect square. Its square root is x squared. Same idea here, so I go sine squared x minus cosine squared x, and then the conjugate of that, sine squared x plus cosine squared x. So if you type that in as your answer, it's true that these are equal, but it's just not simplified yet. I think that's the issue. So we can, in other words, we can keep going. This is equal to 1. So then I have sine squared x minus cosine squared x times 1, which is just that. And then I'm still not done because I have the difference of squares again. So now I have sine x plus cosine x times sine x minus cosine x. So this, if they're asking me to factor, I mean, this would be, if they're asking me to simplify, I guess I should say, then I would say this is an acceptable answer. That's simplified. But if they're asking me to factor, then a simplify and factor, then I'd have to go that extra step. But definitely not leaving it here at that.